When someone says, I have a theory, they usually mean a random guess. But a scientific theory is completely different. It's the ultimate evidence-backed explanation for how the world works. To see the difference, let's drop an apple. When you let go, it falls. That is a scientific fact, a simple, undeniable observation. Next is a scientific law. A law describes how that apple behaves, usually using a mathematical formula. Newton's law of gravitation calculates the apple's exact acceleration before it even hits the ground. But here's the catch. The law cannot explain why it falls. It flawlessly predicts the speed, but tells us nothing about what is actually pulling the apple downward. That is what a scientific theory does. It provides the rigorously tested framework that explains the why. Einstein's theory of relativity explains that massive objects warp the actual fabric of spacetime. This is why a theory never graduates into a law. Describing an event and explaining its underlying cause are two entirely different, equally vital jobs. So with that falling apple, the scientific law calculates the exact speed of its crash, but the scientific theory explains the invisible force of its pull.